Most running boards you'll find online are bulky, generic, and wobble under winter slush. Pick wrong and you waste money on rust, wobble, and repeated repaints. Ever struggled to choose a clean, sturdy running board that actually fits your ride? You're in the right place to see reliable picks and straight answers. Today, I'm going to be going over the best running boards that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the COMNOVA running boards. From the moment you unbox these, the 6-inch wide step promises secure footing and confident entry for daily truck life. This model uses high-light stainless steel and anti-slip plastic steps that resist corrosion and maintain grip across seasons. The product embraces an OE style with a non-welded design and 4 brackets per side, delivering factory-like fit and appearance. Its innovative slider design lets you adjust position along the vehicle for customized reach and easier access from curb to cab. Installation is straightforward, with a direct bolt-on approach that requires no drilling and minimal additional hardware for most crews. Owners will appreciate the no-drill requirement and the ability to complete the install in under an hour depending on vehicle familiarity. In real-world testing, the bars supported 500 pounds in static tests without noticeable flex, though dynamic loading remains prudent. During winter commutes, the stainless steel surface shows minimal corrosion while maintaining a polished look, enhancing overall vehicle aesthetics. Market data shows strong customer sentiment with a 4.7 rating from buyers, indicating solid value and satisfaction. The design centers around a robust capability that comfortably handles heavy loads without compromising ride comfort or door clearance on most crews. Compared to budget rivals, the COMNOVA running boards deliver a stronger build, simpler install, and noticeably firmer footing during entry and exit. The pros include superior build quality and long-term confidence, effortless bolt-on installation with clear guidance, and high weight capacity for heavy use. The cons include higher price relative to budget options and noticeably heavier weight, factors that may influence decision-making for price-sensitive buyers. At number 4, we have the YITAMOTOR running boards. If you own a Ram with 4 full-size doors, these extra-long drop steps deliver rugged aesthetics and practical reach. Crafted with heavy-duty, all-steel construction and a textured powder-coated finish, they convey durability while resisting rust and abuse. The design features extra-long drop steps and a rugged texture that ensures secure footing while accommodating bulky boots. Precision Fit targets Ram models from the new body lineup, featuring 4 doors and crew cab configuration, ensuring reliable alignment during installation. The 3D pattern on 4.7-inch step pads provides stable footing and helps wipe mud and debris off boots. Beyond aesthetics, they shield rocker panels from rocks and debris, reducing potential door dings during tight off-road maneuvers. With a stated 500 pounds per side capacity and rust-resistant coated steel, they promise trustworthy performance in harsh weather. Direct bolt-on installation requires no drilling, and the included hardware plus instructions streamline the process for beginners. Owners report straightforward alignment on compatible Ram variants, with mounting points aligning cleanly to factory chassis rails for a confident fit. Compared to cheaper tube Nerf bars, the YITAMOTOR running boards provide a wider stepping surface and a more secure footing. The pros include durable steel construction, no drilling required, and excellent traction, delivering long-lasting reliability and peace of mind during every drive. The cons include higher price compared to basic competitors and added weight during handling, which can complicate installation for solo users. Finally, the bolt-on design simplifies mounting, aided by clear instructions and included hardware provided. At $319, these running boards offer substantial value through rugged build, weather resistance, and factory-friendly installation. At number 3, we have the ONINE CRB830110. Texture black powder coated provides a stylish look and rust resistance while delivering extra protection to the truck. The rugged steel construction delivers serious strength for daily use and stands up to harsh weather without succumbing to corrosion. Indented louvers along the stepping surface maximize grip in rain and mud, making it safer to climb into tall trucks. No drill installation is advertised as bolt-on at factory points, completed in under an hour on most models. An extra wide stepping area provides more confidence when stepping into or out of the cab from either side. High-strength mounting brackets are designed to hold up to 500 pounds on each side, ensuring sturdy performance. In direct comparison with the Go Rhino Dominator, the ONINE offers easier installation and a broader fit for crew cab trucks. The pros include easy installation, rugged steel construction, and wide stepping surface. The cons include premium price relative to some generic options and heavier weight. The product ships with all necessary brackets and an installation manual, and the mounting system is rated to 500 pounds per side. Texture black powder coating not only looks premium but also resists rust and chipping against road salt and debris. The stepping surface is 7 inches wide, offering ample room for confident footing and secure entry. On the road, the rugged design translates into stable action and confident footing across rain, snow, and mud under various weather conditions. Marketplace data show a price around $187.99 and a strong customer rating supporting value. At number 2, we have the Snailfly running boards. This initial impression targets family and adventure-oriented drivers who need easy entry and reliable foot traction without drilling into their SUV. The boards are built from durable aluminum, delivering a sturdy, rust-resistant core that maintains shape under heavy everyday use and weather. Installation is designed to align with existing mounting points and requires no drilling, simplifying fitment while preserving factory integrity. Constructed from rugged aluminum, these boards are engineered to support up to 500 pounds, preserving performance through heavy loads and rough terrain. Anti-slip tread ensures confident footing for family members and guests, reducing slips during entry and exit regardless of weather conditions outside. Profile integrates with SUV lines and offers modest width to avoid door scuffs while providing ample step surface space for quick, secure stepping. Brackets and mounting hardware are included, ensuring a clean, complete kit that saves time and effort during the installation process. In real-world testing, the side steps offered steady footing, minimal flex, and predictable performance across varied weather and road conditions. The rust-free aluminum construction maintains a clean look even under salt spray, helping preserve resale value and exterior aesthetics. The anti-slip side step provides secure traction during entry and exit, even with muddy shoes or wet pavement underfoot. Compared to standard budget boards, the Snailfly running boards offer no drill installation and greater weight capacity, delivering steadier footing for families. The pros include easy installation, durable aluminum construction, and reliable anti-slip traction. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 1, we have the JOYTUTUS running boards. From the moment you unbox them, the OEM precision fit signals these boards cater to Wrangler JL owners seeking straightforward installation. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a rugged black finish, these side steps promise rust resistance and trustworthy load handling under daily use. Engineered specifically for Wrangler JL 4-door models spanning 2018 through 2026, installation matches factory holes without drilling. Each step supports up to 500 pounds, ensuring stable footing for adults, kids, and cargo without any noticeable flex or wobble. Featuring a dual-tier anti-slip design, the 2 textured steps provide enhanced grip with wider first and second tiers for secure placement. Real-world testing confirms the rust-resistant finish endures mud, weather, and rugged trails while keeping a clean, reliable appearance. The elevated dual-tier anti-slip design not only increases grip but also reinforces stance, enhancing confidence on rough trails and daily commutes. During setup, the factory mounting holes simplify bolt incompatibility, with included hardware and clear instructions guiding a straightforward, modification-free installation. Pricing is competitive at $209, and these boards still leverage factory hole mounts for a clean, factory feel. Compared to the ProRock XL side steps, the JOYTUTUS model offers simpler installation and factory fit while delivering comparable load capacity. The pros include solid steel construction ensuring durability, easy bolt and installation with clear instructions, and excellent rust resistance for long-term outdoor use. The cons include a higher price relative to entry-level models and added weight that could marginally affect fuel economy. Maintenance remains straightforward thanks to a rust-resistant finish that resists chips and preserves appearance through mud, rain, and rocky trails. Overall, these JOYTUTUS running boards deliver rugged capability, OEM precision fit, and dependable daily performance that Wrangler owners will appreciate.